Hi, everybody. Welcome to the iZigg mobile training video series. This one is for your inbox. Within your iZigg mobile texting platform, there is an inbox that will capture any response messages from blasts that you have sent out. However, there are several ways that you could utilize the inbox to maximize customer service. As well as overall messaging. So let's go ahead and take a look. Within your iZigg dashboard, your inbox is located in the upper right-hand corner. Next to you have your credit count, your quick message, and then the envelope. If the envelope is blinking blue, then you know you have a message. So let's go ahead and select the inbox. If you feel like you are utilizing your inbox quite often, you can make this your default homepage when you log in. So each time you log into your account, it will automatically default to the homepage, and you can still access all of your features from the tabs up top. So I'm going to go ahead and make this my homepage. So let's go ahead and look at the inbox. There are several things that we can do here. We can create folders in order to group together our messages. So I created one for support. Maybe I want to create one for just different message options. I have the ability to do that. I can also filter messages by all of them, any that are unread or read, and also by keywords. So we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But in simplest terms, if you were to send a message out, so let's go ahead and just send a quick message. And this is my test message. I'm going to send it now, and I am going to send it to my list message for the inbox reply. So if you're sending a blast to your lists and somebody responds, it is going to be captured immediately within the inbox. And I am just responding to the message that I just sent. So if we look at our inbox, you're going to notice that I have a new message here from myself that says, thank you so much. So I can do several things with this message. I can click it and I can mark it as read. I can delete it. I can forward it, maybe move it to a folder. But let's go ahead and say I want to interact with this. So I'm going to go ahead and just say, what do you like the system? And this is almost like an automated chat. So I'm going to send that out, and it is directly going to go to my phone. And I have already received it. I can then also reply back. So it is going to group these into the phone number of your subscriber, so you can see any of the interaction that has happened. You can also export any of your messages. So you'll notice that you have an export option right here. I can select that and choose the date, time that I would like to export the messages, and it will just download into a spreadsheet directly onto your system. I can also use my settings. So let's say that I am utilizing this for customer support. I can say that I want to be notified. So I'm going to add maybe an email address. So I can add my email address right here. And whenever someone messages the account from my long code, and I'm going to go ahead and add that. So I'm automatically going to get an email. Or I could have also selected my mobile number where I receive a text. So I'm going to go ahead and save those settings. So let's talk about how you can also utilize your inbox for more customer service inquiries. So let's say that I have created a keyword. Let me go back to my keyword list here. And you'll notice that I have a plethora of keywords here, but let's say that you created one just for support. You could advertise to your subscribers that if they need after-hours support, or if they had a question on a particular product or campaign that you're running, or even think of it for HR purposes, if they had a question regarding the company, all they have to do is text the keyword and then their question or comment and hit send. So to my dedicated long code, which I have saved in my phone, I'm simply going to type in the keyword with a space, and then I'm just going to say this is my test. And I'm going to go ahead and send it. And I'm going to receive an automated response message, obviously, and this one just tells me, thank you for using the support system. We will reach out within a few hours. And as you can see, my test is already right here. So now you have an interactive process where you can actually create a keyword, advertise it to your subscribers, to your workforce, your employees, and tell them to text the keyword followed by their comment or question, and it will come directly into your inbox. You will be notified immediately if you've taken those actions within your settings. And if you have your inbox as your home page, you will automatically see it when you log in for the day. Now, obviously, you can move these to certain folders. So I'm going to go ahead and select this message. And I want to move this to my support folder. So now I have a record of it in my support folder. So if I had 15 messages that day, I can group them quite nicely. I can export them if I would like to. Sometimes this is very useful when you are having an event. And let's say you had a QR code to opt in to receive messages during that event. People might want to reply to a message. Now, it's important to note that the iZigg system does not charge for incoming messages to the inbox. However, if you reply to that message, then any outgoing messages will be one message credit. Another good option is you can also receive MMS in the inbox, which means that if I were to send a picture to the inbox or reply to a message sent with a picture, I would capture that here as well. So for more information on the inbox, you are more than welcome to contact your iZigg support team and look for other iZigg mobile training videos on our YouTube channel, as well as various emails that we will be sending out. Thank you so much.